from KSLA TV 12. Coverage you can count on. This is...
We'll reach new heights in tonight's edition of Made in the Arklatex.
Stay with us for this week's Made in the Arklatex. I will take a leap of faith with a unit designed to revolutionize the safety industry.
This is News 12 Weekend.
Federal law requires workers whose jobs carry them more than 6 feet above ground to wear a safety harness in case they slip and fall. In this week's Made in the Arklatex, we see how a Shreveporter's variation on a theme has taken a lot of danger out of working high above ground. Here's News 12's Carl Penley.
The men walking the iron at this construction site in Indianapolis owe their livelihoods to what they can do with their hands, and at times their lives to what they wear on their backs, the safety harness. But it turns out the safety harness workers have worn for years isn't all that safe.
It's the leading cause of death and critical injury. There's like 300,000 people a year killed and injured using other types of equipment, safety harnesses.
Shreveport native and retired steel worker Mark Dennington decided to do something about that. And his design has taken the safety part of the safety harness to new heights.
We took all of our information, all of our problems, and we put it all down. And I built a system that will actually work for the person who's wearing it.
Well, saying it's one thing, seeing it actually perform and back that claim up is something else. So to that end, Mark and his helper set up a scaffold at the Carpenters Training Center to put the Dennington safety system to the test. While Mark was busy with that, I found out a few things about safety harnesses that people who work on the ground never have to worry about, but those who work high in the air need to consider constantly. The old-style system allows the wearer to fall 9.5 feet before coming to a stop. The beams in buildings are only 10 feet apart, and that can spell trouble.
Well, they always say it's not the fall that gets you, it's the sudden stop. And that's exactly what happens. You get a sudden stop because you make contact with the next level, and when steel and flesh and bone meet, steel always wins.
The Dennington system allows only a 6-foot drop before the stop. And a 3.5 feet difference might as well be a mile in terms of safety.
The old style, it would keep you from hitting the ground and dying.
Right.
This wants you to keep from getting hurt altogether.
Right. This is designed specifically to keep you from getting hurt in the event of a fall.
That's good to know if you strap the thing on to test it yourself. Also good to know is that it's not just the 3.5 vertical feet that give you a safety zone, but anti-sway characteristics give a life-saving cushion, too.
Say it's a simple slip, your danger is multiplied by not only dropping down straight, but also side to side. You'll notice I didn't go over there, I didn't go over there, I didn't have a piece of iron slam into me here. You drop straight down, bounce around a little, you're safe.
And the Dennington system delivers safety, even if you're just hanging around. It's a design the construction industry, the military, and even hunters can fall for, head over heels, and survive. The design made in the Arklatex.
Glad he's okay.